The solar generator 1800W, 3600W surge, with 200W solar panel and a 1024Wh LiFePO4 portable battery is a versatile power solution designed for both everyday use and outdoor adventures. As the name suggests, this generator harnesses solar energy to produce power, making it an environmentally friendly choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining energy independence. At its core, the solar generator has a robust output of 1,800 watts, with the capability of surging up to 3,600 watts. This makes it suitable for a variety of applications, from charging smaller electronic devices like smartphones and laptops to powering larger appliances such as refrigerators and power tools. The generator features a durable, portable design, ensuring that it can be easily transported, whether you are heading to a camping site or managing power needs during an outdoor event. One of the standout features of this solar generator is its included 200W solar panel, which allows users to harness the sun's energy directly. The solar panel is designed for efficiency, enabling a quicker recharge of the generator than many competitors. Additionally, the generator itself is equipped with a 1024Wh LiFePO4 battery, a technology known for its long life and stability, providing a reliable source of power for your needs. In terms of usage, the generator is equipped with multiple output options, including AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC carport, which adds to its versatility. Users can charge various devices simultaneously, making it an excellent choice for family outings where multiple gadgets may need power at the same time. Moreover, the generator is designed with an intuitive interface, allowing users to monitor battery levels and output easily. As with any product, it is essential to consider your specific needs when evaluating the solar generator 1800W. Its combination of capacity, solar capability, and portability makes it a fitting option for those who prioritize renewable energy solutions, especially in scenarios where grid access is limited or unavailable. In conclusion, the solar generator 1800W with a 200W solar panel presents a well-rounded solution for individuals seeking a portable power source. Its robust features and environmentally conscious design offer a practical approach to energy independence without overwhelming complexity. Whether for camping, emergency backup, or simply to embrace solar technology, this generator serves as a reliable companion for many power-related tasks.